Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making steamed Christmas pudding. I'm using raisins, currant, golden raisins, prunes, cherries, mixed peel, brandy, breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, dark brown sugar, melted margarine, grated carrot, grated apple, eggs, lime juice, cinnamon, red wine, nutmeg, mixed spice, browning, and grated orange rind. I'm going to place all of the ingredients in a bowl. First, the flour, breadcrumbs, dark brown sugar, spices, and the orange rind will be placed in a bowl, and I'm using a whisk to combine those thoroughly. After I've done that, then I'm going to add the fruits. I'm going to use my hand to mix the fruits with the dry ingredients. This must be done very well. Then add the grated carrot and grated apple, using my hands again to mix those in. Now I'm going to use a wooden spoon to combine the margarine and the egg. Mix those very well. Then add the lime juice, red wine, and the brandy. Here's where you have to make sure that you mix those extremely well. Then I'll add the browning. I'm using 1 tablespoon of browning here. Mix that in and then pour the batter into an 8-inch tin. My tin is 3 inches high. Once that's done, then smooth over the top, cover with a lightly greased parchment paper, and then foil. And now it's ready to be placed into a pot that has water in it. You'll have to get some kind of band to act as a handle, because that has to go into the pot. So I'm placing that into a pot that has water in it, and I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil, and then turn the flame down to extremely low for 3 hours. It's going to steam, and once that's done, then remove that from the pot. Remove the wet covers immediately, and then allow it to cool, and then cover it using a dry piece of foil. I'm going to remove mine from the tin, but you can leave yours in a tin if you want until it's ready to be used. I'm going to turn that out, and then I'm going to now have a look at it. So I'm cutting it to look at the texture. All of the fruits are nicely spread, and it's a very tasty pudding that you can serve this Christmas. It is very good with your favorite wine. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Bailey. It was created by her daughter, Bailey. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.